what's more important than your family's quality of life and the defense of your country?
These partners can't make the things they need without talent, and that talent is our students.
From cell phones to iPads to automobiles,
These semiconductor chips,
they're in everything around us.
The science behind them is extraordinary.
careers that are high wage and high demand.
There are so many opportunities, and that's only going to grow in the next 5, 10, 20 years.
Ivy Tech is the official community college of Indiana. It includes partnerships for the industry partners down around in the Crane Naval Base.
That includes, of course, Ivy Tech and Crane, but also defense and tech industry partners who have sprung up in this region because of Crane's presence there.
One of the biggest needs in the semiconductor industry is for technicians. And so this certificate will really give students what they need to be able to work in the semiconductor industry.
Employers have announced that hundreds of jobs are coming to our area, and that's per employer. We see the demand for this program only growing for the foreseeable future.
The students for the program are going to come from a variety of backgrounds.
Anybody that is just looking for a solid career, work for a year and come out and make a good wage with zero debt, I think that's going to appeal to a lot of people.
Whether it be someone who's fresh out of high school looking for that first career.
It could be that reskill or upskill or pivot in a career path for somebody who's really interested in creating a good life and a good quality of life for their family. Then it affords them the opportunity to do that.
Students who have never heard about semiconductors are also very welcome.
If you love the freedoms we have, if you love the lifestyle that the United States can still afford people, the career path and the way you conduct your life, both personally and professionally, can still impact that.